How to set up the HP 435 Full HD webcam with your Windows 11 or Mac OS computer. With the HP 435 Full HD webcam and PolyLens software, you can record or stream high-quality video and audio from your PC. Secure the webcam by opening the mounting bracket and adjusting the grips to fit your monitor or other mounting surface. Slide open the privacy shield for setup. With the computer powered on, plug the webcam into an available USB port. On your web browser, go to www.poly.com/lens. Scroll down to Get the Desktop app and select your operating system to begin the download. Once the download is complete, open the file to install the app. The PolyLens app allows you to adjust your webcam settings. After installation is complete, check Agree and select Proceed. To create an account or use an existing account, select Login or you can continue as guest. The home screen offers access to your webcam as well as several tools to help in your work environment. Select Insights to check internet connection speeds. In the Health and Wellness page, you can enable soundscapes as well as set reminders for hydration and vision breaks. Select Best Practices for tips on headset, camera, and workstation setup. The Poly Support page has helpful links to assist you with any questions you might have. You can select Visit Poly Support or Lens Desktop Online Help depending on what you would like assistance with. From here, you can download logs which are helpful for troubleshooting hardware issues. Select your webcam to access your device. The Overview tab shows the device status and software version. The Controls tab allows you to manually adjust your webcam settings. Select the Show icon to preview your changes. Note, preview must be disabled for the webcam to be recognized by other applications. Adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness based on your preferences. By default, white balance, focus, and exposure are set to automatic. These settings can be changed here. Enabling backlight compensation brightens the subject in the foreground. Under the Settings tab, select General to choose the appropriate refresh rate to reduce flicker. The Support tab allows you to access the Quick Start Guide and User Guide, as well as device info and logs for your webcam. Select Contact Support to find links for Poly Support and Lens Desktop app support along with your device details. Your HP Full HD webcam is now your default device. When you open your preferred meeting or recording software, your webcam is ready to use. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.